triangle, come the triangle, and I am from triangle, copy paste 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and 2 plus, and this is the I am the year, and this is the year. Then I will the year, and the go to year, and I am the stick the year, and I will make stick. I will the make stick, and then I am make stick. The is the small. I will make this small, and go to this center, and go color brown color, and this I am click the tree, and color this, and select this, and color this, and select this, and color this, and go to star, and I will select the star. Where is the star? Your star. And I will click star, and small star here. I have this star make, and the six I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have to fit this star. I have fit the star. Here I have one star, and this is the delete, and I will do the delete, and click the here, and select this, and I will here fit the down. This is the down, and I will do the down, and this is the my hair. No, this delete, and select this star, and I will select this star. See, I will select this star, and just wait, and go to this star. This is the delete. I will do this delete, and this is the here go. I will here go the here. This is the here. Then and down the this, left the this, down the this, left the this, and the one more, and the select here, and one more go to here. So, and I will just select this, and I will select down, and left, and one more star. One more this go to delete, and here I am this go to here. I will here fit this, and top the star. I am do the top star, and I will do top, and the star colors. The yellow color, I will select yellow go do, and one more yellow. I will select one more yellow, and this is different color, red color. This I will click red color, and this is the yellow color, blue color, and here I am click blue, and this is the pink color. That is pink, and this is the this color, this, and this one star, this color, and top red, and I will select this, and I will do this orange. Where is the orange? No, then click the here. I will click and Christmas tree is ready. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.